Here we have AP calculus AB problem. Okay, let's go with the question. Write an equation of the tangent line to the graph y equals to 2 times square root of x negative x positive 7 at the point 4 comma 7. Okay, so whenever we have the equation of a graph and if I want to find the equation of a tangent line, so there is a formula to get equation of the tangent line. First, let me write the formula equation of tangent line. Let me write the stuff over here. Tangent line. So the formula to get equation of the tangent line is y negative y1 equals to m times x negative x1. So here x1 comma y1 represents the point at where we draw the tangent into the graph of the given function. For example, let's consider this is a graph of the given function. I draw tangent line. Tangent line means a line as to touch the graph of the given function. So let's say that the tangent touches a point. That means a point of tangency is x1 comma y1. So we need the point x1 comma y1. So it is given in the question itself, that is 4 comma 7, because they are asking us to find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of this function at 4 comma 7. So we can plug in 4 comma 7 for x1 comma y1. And so this m represents the slope of the tangent line. So the slope of the tangent line is not given in the question. How do you have to find the slope of the tangent line? So for that, what we have to do is we have to find dy over dx from the given function. So in that, let me find dy over dx. For that, let me write the given function or equation as it is. That is y equals to 2 times square root of x negative x positive 7. So dy over dx means that represents derivative of y with respect to x. That is, we have to find the derivative of this stuff with respect to x. So here, when I consider the first term, the variable part is multiplied by the constant. When I find derivative, if there is a constant multiplied by the variable, I have to keep the constant as it is, and I have to find the derivative of the variable alone. So when I find derivative of square root of x, is derivative is 1 over 2 times square root of x. Always we have to remember this. Otherwise, we have to find the derivative separately. So it will be little time consuming. Better we can remember the derivative of the square root of x, that is 1 over 2 times square root of x. Negative, the derivative of this x is just 1. That is the derivative of x with respect to x. Positive, the derivative of the constant 7 is 0. This 2 will cancel out. So then I'm getting dy over dx equals to 1 over square root of x negative 1. Actually, this dy over dx, the one I got it from the given function, represents the slope of the tangent line. But we need the slope of the tangent line at the point 4 comma 7, because we draw tangent line to the graph of this function at 4 comma 7. So to get the value of m over here, that is slope of the tangent line, I have to plug in the point 4 comma 7 into the result of dy over dx. That is, let me write the stuff over here. So m equals to dy over dx. In the result of dy over dx, I have to plug in the point 4 comma 7. Let me continue the stuff over here. So for dy over dx, we have 1 over square root of x negative 1 slash 4 comma 7. So in this result for x, I have to plug in this x coordinate 4, and for y, I have to plug in the y coordinate 7. But I don't find y over here, I just find only x. So for this x, I have to plug in the x coordinate 4 over here. Then I'm getting m equals to 1 over square root of 4 negative 1. So m equals to 1 over square root of 4 is just 2 negative 1. Let's do some simplification over here. So to do subtraction between a fraction and integer, what I have to do is I have to multiply this integer by the denominator of the fraction. When I do so, that is 2 times 1 is 2. Once I'm done with this multiplication, I can take this 2 as a common denominator. Then I'm getting negative 1 over 2. So now I got the slope of the tangent line at the point 4 comma 7, that is negative 1 over 2. So I can write negative 1 over 2 for m. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to plug in these stuff into the equation of the tangent line we have over here. Let me do it. So y negative, so y1 is 7 and m is negative 1 over 2 times x negative, x1 is 4. So this is the equation of the tangent line to the graph of the equation y equals to 2 times square root of x into x positive 7 at the point 4 comma 7.